screws there. These screws are perfect.
And now you need to do those two screws here. That's different. This you need to use this one. Use this one. Yeah.
Okay,
Just take two of them.
so you just need clear AI instructions to tell them what to do, and tell them that this HM4, not to use it. Just an extra piece.
Yeah.
Okay.
So open them. Open this. It's two pieces.
This
So
goes
now,
here.
no wait. You need to align it, and then you put it. You align it, and you put it. Yeah.
That's
You put
easy.
it all the way down,
Okay.
and then this one at the bottom,
Okay.
and then
Oh no.
you hold it with your
Notice I am a lefty. This works fine. This is great. Oh, that's very easy.
You just stop it from spinning at the bottom. So, where do you put it? No, you put it the wrong place. Yeah. You need to put it in this hole. Yeah, yes, exactly. So,
Well, okay, so I made an honest mistake, as you can see. Yeah, that's better.
again, just a snug, not more than
Okay,
snug.
that's good.
Yeah, now flip the chair and do the other one.
And then the big test will be I have to sit in it. Okay, this goes here, and this goes here this time.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, see, I'm better the second time. Okay. Much better. Okay.
Yeah, and we don't need two Allen keys here because he's holding it with his hand and then the wood that's it's tying it, so no need. It's a snug and that's it.
Okay, folks. I weigh, hate to admit it.
Okay, you can
Today
sit on it
was
to make sure it's...
198. I only had a light breakfast today. Usually I'm 200, but this can handle up to 250 plus pounds. So, very nice cushion. Okay. Okay. Do a little prayer. Sit down. Ah.
After hard work.
Ah, thank you. Problem solved. Do I have to do the table too? Is the table an issue?
No, I don't think it's the table is issue.
Okay.
Mainly the chair.
Javi, send me let me see the video. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. We will get this all out to you. This will be solved. We'll send you all the AI instructions today.